How to verify your Wise account. Want to unlock full Wise features like sending larger amounts? Then verifying your account is the key. After logging in, go to your account dashboard. If verification is needed, you'll see a notification or prompt right at the top. Click it to begin. Wise will typically ask for two things: a valid photo ID, like a password or national ID, and a selfie or video to confirm it's really you. Upload clear images. Make sure the document is not blurry or cropped. Sometimes they may also request proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement. Upload the required documents and submit. Make sure your documents are current, in color, and match your Wise account info to avoid delays. Waiting on verification. Drop a comment if you need help understanding the process. And that's how you can verify your Wise account. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.